Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a chaos style Dutch pour, I believe. I am pouring down just a little bit of a center base right now, and that is Metallic Gold by Dick Blick. And really quick, if you guys want to see how I mix my acrylic paints and my pigments, check the description underneath this video, and you'll see a link to a mixing tutorial. I'll take you right to the video, and I do like a walkthrough of how I mix my acrylic paints and how I make my mixture for my pigments. My hairdryer is a travel hairdryer, and it's 1200 watt. There's no cold boost or anything like that, so I just have it on low, and it just blows some warm air. Not hot, just warm. So I'll do a walkthrough of the colors with you guys, and then I'll let you watch, and please stick around for the end for the dried results. I need some advice on this one. I just need to know what you guys think, if you like it, or if I should carry on with it and just make it look a bit different than what the dry result looks like. So that first color that I put down was Arteza Pearl Copper Gold, and then I have Boom Gel Stain Kookaburra Brown, I think it's called. I'm just going to put a little bit more of that base gold in there. And then this is Carbon Black by Golden. And I am using the USA Flood Floetrol. And we have some Ore by this little piggy. That's a pigment. I'm just torching some of the air bubbles. Okay, and I actually meant to put more of this cappuccino, this little piggy pigment in, and I forgot to actually add it in there, so whoops. Alright, so I'm just going to blow this out and work on the other side as well. So I'll let you guys enjoy watching it. Please stick around for the dried results at the end and let me know what you guys think. I'm on the fence. I think it's too much gold, and the edges could be a bit softer. So let me know what you guys think. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I appreciate it, guys, and thanks for leaving me comments and hitting the like button and all that good stuff. You guys are awesome, and I will talk to you guys at the end of this video. All right.
So here we are with the dried results. It did dry perfectly, no issues with the drying. I don't really like all that gold. It's too much for me, I think. Let me know what you guys think. I am debating maybe painting the gold negative space black or doing some resin art over it. I'm not sure. It did dry gorgeous, and it is, I love like all this. Love that. I'm just not too hip on that. I think it may have looked better with softer edges there. So maybe next time I'll blow that base paint over and then blow out. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. It's definitely shimmery and all that. But yes, I don't know about all that gold. It's too much. Anyway, thanks for joining me, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and check out my other videos. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.